How to use the clock on an LG phone. The clock app on your LG phone has several features you might find useful. When you open the app, at the bottom you will see alarm, world clock, timer, and stopwatch. Tap on the feature you want to use. Alarm. To create a new alarm, make sure the alarm icon is highlighted at the bottom of the clock app. Then tap on the plus button at the top right. Select the time for the alarm by scrolling the hour and minute wheels, then selecting AM or PM. To make a one-time alarm, do not select any days of the week. To make the alarm recurring, select the days of the week desired. You can select other options such as the alarm sound, which can include a song saved to your phone, and the volume, vibration, snooze count and duration, plus others. Once you've set the alarm, tap Save at the bottom right. To delete an alarm, tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on Delete, and put a check by the alarm or alarms to be deleted. Tap on Delete at the bottom, then tap Delete again to confirm. To turn the alarm off or on, tap on the toggle switch next to it. World Clock. The World Clock will let you add cities of interest, so you can see the current time in each location at a glance. To add a city, tap the plus button at the top right, then tap on the search bar at the top. Enter the name of the city, then tap on the name of the chosen city that appears below the search bar. To delete a city, tap on the three dots at the top right, then tap on Delete and put a check by the cities to be deleted. Tap on Delete at the bottom, then tap Delete again to confirm. Timer. To set a timer, tap on the second, minute, and hour boxes to set the amount of time, then tap Start. Once started, you can pause the timer, stop it, and add additional time by tapping the quick add buttons below the timer for plus 10 minutes, plus 1 minute, or plus 15 seconds. Stopwatch. To use the stopwatch, select Stopwatch at the bottom, then tap on Start. Tap on Pause, then reset to finish. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.